Namaste, Suprabhatam Sarvesham. Good morning to all. Today we are going to explain about the courage. All humans face different kind of difficulties in their lives. At that situation, they should be courageous and have a powerful mindset. This tells one Samskrita shloka. Chalanti girayah kamam yuganta pavanahataha kruchrepi na chalatyeva धीराणां निश्चलं मनः. Chalanti girayaha. Girayaha means mountains. Mountains may move from their place when they are struck by the winds at the end of an era. But the mind of wise and courageous people remains steadfast and unmoved even in the difficulties. So be courageous, be powerful by mind to achieve your goal. Always powerful mindset people achieve the goals. There is in the history also. There are many more examples found in our ancient Indian history. The Samskrita shloka explain those. Once again I will repeat the shloka. Chalanti girayah kamam yuganta pavanahataha kruchrepi na chalatyeva धीराणां निश्चलं मनः. धन्यवादः.